Hi, welcome to the video 5 of our Premiere Pro challenge. Today we are going to create your very first Premiere Pro project file. Here is how it's done. First, open the Premiere Pro and click on the new project here. First, give the name for your project. Keep it organized so you can avoid the disruptions in future. While giving the name, make sure you avoid the special characters. For this, I'm adding it as Premiere Pro 100 Days Challenge. Next, we need to set the location. Click on choose location and it opens this window. Choose in which drive you want to save. I'm going to saving it here. Next is template, guys. I don't use it personally. If in case you want, you can try it out. There are different templates which are actually useful if you want. Then is skip import mode. I highly suggest you that click on it so it saves a lot of time. Then click on create. Wow, now you created your first project file in Adobe Premiere Pro. There are so many settings inside this where we need to change in future if in case we want, if we are doing with different types of files. Like in camera terms, if we are using 10-bit or 8-bit footage, HLG, S-Log3, like there are so many terms out there. I don't want you to confuse about it. Just I'm keeping it as simple as possible. If in case there are any issues or we need to encounter in future, then we need to change some settings. I'm going to post those videos in coming days as we keep on evolving these sessions. So that's it for this video. It's very simple as it is. This is how all the videos are going to be there in this channel. Subscribe if you haven't done it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video.